In line with its long-term space exploration goals, India will have its first own space station by the year 2035, along with an ambitious goal to land an Indian astronaut on the moon by the year 2040. The information was given by the Union Minister of State for Science and Technology and Space, Jitendra Singh, who said that we are going to have our own space station and will be among the first to have that after the US and one or two other countries. The Indian space station will be named as Bharat Antariksh Station or BAS, which will be a groundbreaking milestone in India's space exploration journey, clubbing India with an elite group of nations that will have such capabilities in space technology. BAS will be India's most ambitious space project and will mark India's significant leap in space exploration. It will be the first national space laboratory to conduct multidisciplinary microgravity experiments and studies in the fields of science, technologies, medicines, agriculture, and space manufacturing. It will also be acting as a platform for global and national collaboration, a gateway to lunar exploration and beyond, to help boost the space economy of the country. Once India gets a fully functional space station, it will enable India to conduct cutting-edge research in fields such as astronomy, biology, physics, medicine, and engineering. It will showcase India's achievements and capabilities in space and demonstrate its commitment and leadership in advancing humanity's frontiers. BAS reflects India's ambition and aspirations in space and is a bold and visionary initiative that will shape India's future and destiny in the world and in space. Singh also gave updates regarding the Gaganyaan mission, which will be India's first human spaceflight program. He said that by the end of 2024 or early 2026, the first Indian astronaut will travel to space under the Gaganyaan mission. He hailed ISRO's space capabilities and said that today India has made significant progress in satellite launches. A total of 432 foreign satellites have been launched by India till now, out of which 397 or 90% were launched since the year 2014. Under the current leadership, India has achieved remarkable growth in the space sector. The government also increased the budget for space exploration by 4% by allocating $1.5 billion to the Department of Space. This is because India aspires to become self-reliant in defense and space sectors and enhance India's role in the world.